Unfortunately, for many solopreneurs, entrepreneurs, even business owners, our income isn't always that regular. We don't know necessarily what's coming in next week or tomorrow or in 2 weeks from now unless we create a plan so that we are consistently operating that plan to create the income for the calm. So what happens is a scarcity effect takes over, and the fear of not having becomes greater than the fear and joy of receiving and creating money and cash flow coming into your business. So yes, let's get the cash injections, absolutely, without the effort, and instead create a sustainable income. And then as we create that income, build something bigger if you want to. Let's get you into a place where you know who you are, what you need to be, and what steps you need to take moving forward.